How to activate your Amex card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your American Express card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for activate your Amex card or your American Express card. Then you'll find this American Express Activate Amex option. Tap on this link and it will take you to their website. Now, after you're on this page, scroll down a bit and there you'll find activating your card. In that section, tap on activate your card now, which will take you to this page. Now, before you continue, they will need you to have your card with you and also some personal details. So tap on setup card and right here you will need to start with this. So first, you can simply enter your 15-digit card number, then your 4-digit card ID. After you type that in, you can then tap on confirm and then move on with that. Under the setup option, they will ask you for your personal information and simply put that in and then you can finally activate your Amex card. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.